G Kitchen. Today G will cook soy sauce chicken. Let's see the ingredients. The ingredient is 1.5 kg chicken, 1 pieces lemongrass, 2 inches ginger already cut slice, 6 pieces of garlic also already cut slice, 2 tablespoon ginger and garlic already grind, 2 tablespoon red onion already grind, 2 onions, 7 pieces of dry chili, few of curry leaf, 8 pieces dry tauhu, 200 gram oyster mushroom, 2 tablespoon oyster sauce, 3 tablespoon dark soy sauce, 3 tablespoon sweet soy sauce. Let's cook. Let's start cooking. Open the stove. Put cooking oil. 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. The oil already heat. Put onion already sliced. Let the onion cook. And then onion grind. Already grind. Also ginger and garlic grind. Okay. Cook until the smell come up. And then put lemongrass, a slice of the ginger and garlic too. And stir. Put chicken into. Stir it and put some water too. Leave it chicken cook until 15 minutes. Already 15 minutes. The chicken also cooked. After that, I have to pour oyster sauce. Dark sauce, and then sweet soy sauce, make boil around 2 minutes like that. After 2 minutes, See the chicken boiling, and then put tauhu, fried tauhu, and see, and curry leaf, dry chili, and then mushroom too. All I have to mix it together and stir it again and leave it for a few minutes only. A few minutes can off the stove and can serve. Ta-da! Already done! Soy sauce chicken. I hope friends will try this dish and enjoy. See you friends in next video. Thank you so much for watching G Kitchen. Bye!